Hey everyone, if you want to automatically assign roles to new members in your Discord server in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create an auto roles system in Discord. First, open your Discord server and go to Server Settings. This is where you manage roles and permissions. Next, create the roles you want to assign automatically, like Member, Verified, or Guest. I mean, you need these roles ready before setting up automation. Now add an auto role bot like MEE6 or Dino. These bots help automate role assignment when new users join. Open the bot dashboard and enable the auto role feature. I mean, select which role should be given automatically to new members. Make sure the bot has permission to manage roles. Without this permission, the auto role system will not work properly. Now test your setup by joining the server with another account. I mean, check if the role is assigned automatically when a user joins. Finally, you can add a welcome message system to make your server look more professional. This improves the user experience for new members. So, yeah, that's how you create a Discord auto roles system in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your server will automatically manage new members. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey, everyone.